Hi guys, do you want to start an online business without any investment? Then Shop101 is the best place for you. Whether you are a housewife, college student or a working professional, online business is for anybody with a passion just like me. My name is Jignya and I am a Shop101 reseller. I run a successful online business with Shop101. Want to know how? Let me tell you my story. I found Shop101 a few months back and came across Shop101 Supply, which has a wide range of categories with over 1 lakh products that I could actually resell. It not only helped me to create my online store, but also in doing the business without having my own products. More than 50,000 active sellers, including me, use Shop101 app. It is available on iOS and Android and is very much easy to get started with. First, download the application and sign up with your contact number. Second, select the products or catalog you like to share and sell. Set a margin you would like to make over the sale. Third, it's time to go popular. Share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram with your circle, friends and family and get orders. Once the order is placed, sit back and relax. Shop101 wholesalers will ship the products to your customers in no time. And the best part is, you get your profit every Tuesday for the orders delivered in the last week. You can earn as high as Rs 1 lakh per month with Shop101, with sellers earning up to Rs 25,000 on an average. My sales improved with time and I now sell with Shop101 full time. So that's my story. What's yours? Share in the comments. And if you don't have Shop101, time to follow these 3 simple steps. Download the app, add your products or choose from Shop101 Supply, and share with people you care. Get orders and grow your own business. Happy selling!